Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Wrap and Scraps channel. You guys, it is, come on. It is Easter Sunday. Happy Resurrection Day. Outfit of the day, real quick. Just a quick little, you guys know I have like 3 or 4 of these in different colors. So that's what we're wearing, yes?
Can I do this outside the courtyard?
Yeah, sure. Don't get it all over the place. So we've already given the girls their Easter baskets. Big mama here, my oldest daughter's cutting up the yams. We're doing a fish fry today. So it is going to be fried catfish. Honey's doing that. I'm doing the mac and cheese right now. Yams. My mom's doing the greens. And we'll probably do some cornbread. We're keeping it simple. We're with the fam. Hey, Puddin'. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Show the world how pretty it is. Look at the thunder thighs. Look at it. Oh. All right. So here are the Easter baskets for the girls. I didn't put any like big dolls and big toys in there just because they have everything already upstairs and I didn't. Alright you guys, so I wanted to show you really quickly how great this attachment is for not only grating cheese, grating carrots, or whatever else you want to do. Here I'm making coleslaw, and I started with grating my carrots, followed up with cutting up my, or purple cabbage, whichever, and my regular cabbage. I added some mayonnaise, or Miracle Whip, with some sugar, some salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic salt, and voila, we had a wonderful coleslaw to add with the fish and steak and all the other things that we had for Easter Sunday. So you guys, I did the coleslaw the day before, all right, just so you know. Now let me say this, Honey is the king of the grill. I don't want to learn too much because I never want to have to do it. No, really, my husband's great at grilling, he's great at frying, he's great at baking, and usually when we go somewhere, people want him at the grill. So this is the dinner. This is what it turned out to be. We had greens, mac and cheese, steak, fried catfish, coleslaw, and candy yams. It was absolutely delicious. Everyone had their seconds and go home plates. And the kids had a blast as well with their Easter baskets. We watched some T.D. Jakes, Ron Carpenter, Darius Daniel on the TV. And we had a wonderful day. So you guys, really quickly, I've been doing some shopping in the last couple of weeks, and I thought I would just share with you guys what I bought. So hold on, I'm gonna start showing you what I got. Okay, so Honey actually, I had him pick it up on base because it was cheaper. I didn't have to pay taxes on base. So I picked up the new iPad Pro, the 12.9 inch screen. Excuse me, allergies, you guys. The 5th generation. So I picked that up. I have that here. Also picked up the Magic keyboard for it. Okay, so those are the boxes for that. Here it is here. Here it is here in all its glory. As you can see, I also picked up the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. I had to get the 2nd generation, which is here. All right, this is great for me because I'm going to start doing some digital papers. I'm also digitizing the work that my daughter does. She's an excellent artist. She draws very well, so I digitized some of her work. I just traced over her original work and added color to it, and here's her first one here. So I'm going to be working on some stuff in Etsy for her line of clothing, my stuff, just things like that. So that's why the iPad Pro was a necessity for me. And the program I'm using on here, the app, is called Procreate. Okay, so I picked up that. Moving on to the next thing. You guys know I like my jewelry. You know I like my jewelry. So let's go over what I'm... And again, this is the stuff I purchased probably in the last 3 weeks, okay? So we're going to go over jewelry, and then we'll talk about furniture and closet stuff briefly, because I'm going to have a whole nother video for that stuff, alright? Let me empty it out. Alright, so we have have been visiting some places here. So we got Vince Camuto. I hope I pronounced that correctly. We've got some Vince Camuto earrings here. I don't feel like it's focusing. Okay. These big old giant bangles here. I love these. Love these. So we've got those. Those are from Ross. We've got Nori. Aren't those the cutest? Along with, if I can find it. I know I have the ring as well. I might have already thrown the ring. And oh no, it's not. It's stuck on a bracelet. So we have those as well as the little ring to go with it. Okay. $6.99, $12.99. We've got some Aldo earrings here. I haven't worn any of this yet. Here's the Aldo earrings. All right. We've got some more Aldo earrings. You guys, Ross is a great place to pick up earrings if you are looking. Okay. There's those. I have a really cute belt set to match these earrings here. So we're gonna be rocking those. That is by Robert Lee Morris. This really cool bracelet. It's huge, but really cool. Really like that. I paid $5.99 for it. These are also beautiful. Most of this stuff I got from Ross that I'm showing you right now. Those are very pretty. Ross. I paid $9.99 for those. And see, I think I got this from TJ Maxx. This is by Bella Jack. I'll put it on so you guys can see. Really cute little sea turtle here. You guys know summer's around the corner. It feels like it's summer here in California. It's so hot. And this one is, how much did I pay for that? $16.99 for that one. This one is a Betsy Johnson bracelet. You guys know I love Betsy Johnson. Really cute. Really dainty. It has little flowers on it. And little strawberries. Okay. So I got that. Buy one, get one, 50% off. So I got these Nautica looking earrings. Love that for summertime. And as well as these leaves. I know you see these leaves everywhere, but I thought they were really cute. So I picked those up there. And moving on. Again, this is the stuff that I've purchased in the last couple of weeks. Perfumes. Now, so if you know me well, you know me and my daughters, we love perfume. So I stopped by the mall today and got the Marc Jacobs Perfect, but I got it in Intense. So inside, the lady switched it for me. She gave me the Intense. She also threw in a small travel size and then just the regular Intense lotion because she wanted me to get the set. So I'm almost out of my other Intense. I need to get another one of those. And I know some of you guys are like, didn't you just buy that? I did, friend, I did. This one was 100 and something. I got the large, I think it was 130. Okay. Really cute top, as you can see. Little dominoes. You guys know how I talk about the dominoes and all that stuff. The dominoes and the banana. I just wondered how they... Anyhow, so smells really good. Very sweet scent. So I'm going to really enjoy that. Again, my daughters, all four of them, love perfume. And they do wear my perfume. It's kind of, pretty much at this point, it's our perfume. It's not even mine anymore. So they will, when it's time for school, when I'm getting them ready, I get them ready in my bathroom because I get them all done up, and they will point out which perfume they want. My youngest daughter her favorite is the Dolce & Gabbana The Way. My other daughter really likes the Bloom by Gucci. And then my oldest daughter, she's really big into the no, not Dolce and Gabbana the way, Giorgio Armani the way. My second oldest daughter, she really likes I think it's called Dolce and Gabbana in the way, or on the way, or something like that. Okay, anyhow, moving on. The second purchase of today, what I purchased today, is the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle Intense at a Parfum. This one smells absolutely great. I'm sure most of you who are into perfume have this one. This is my first time actually purchasing it. It smells really wonderful. I like strong perfumes, so that's great to add to the arsenal, to the collection of perfumes. Then the next one that I picked up, there we go. I had to pick up another My Way by Giorgio Armani because my 5-year-old thinks it's her perfume, and she's pretty much emptied out the one that I bought just a month ago. Okay, this is the box that I was going to show you guys. Remember, I said this is stuff I bought 3 weeks ago. So it wasn't here. That was the size of it. Nice. I think it was the, let me see. It was 1 fluid ounce. And I gave the sampler size one to my mom. But that one's gone. So here we are. We're going forward. I just got a big bottle because I know she's going to be all in it. So this is the Giorgio Armani The Way Intense. So there we are there. And that's the box for that. And then we got a couple of samples in here. And also a tote. So let me see the samples we got. What do we get? Mademoiselle. There's a couple of different ones by the Coco Chanel brand that they threw in there. I love getting the samples because these are just like great for your purse, right? So stay tuned. So thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. It's been a crazy week. There's been so much that's went on in this last week with just me being so busy. So remember to stay wrapped in scraps, meaning repurpose, recycle, and reuse all parts of your life. Take the bad and pull something good out of it, even if it's just a learned lesson. Remember to stay loving you because you can't love anyone else if you don't love you. Remember to stay loving God because He is love. Remember to stay loving life because you're still here living it. You might as well enjoy it. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.